Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Verseo Anti-Gray Hair Coloring Treatment, fast and effective improved hair coloring formula, usable as a hair or beard treatment. And the smell is terrible. You need to apply it at night and wash it off in the morning if you don't want to be smelling like chemicals. This stuff works, but keep in mind if you shampoo each day it may not be as effective. A lot of effort for me, but one time lasted over a month for about 40 gray coverage that looks totally natural. And it dissipates fast enough your hair smells good, but you know how it is with trying to please some. Not to forget to mention that after it dies down, it mixes well with your own chemistry, or even a signature scent you may wear. An even better solution is to only apply it at night. Tie the hair up so that you don't have to be awake complain about it. Surely by morning, it's gone. All that's left is the mild throws on your scarf. Some PPL really need to let things alone. Be grateful the thing you sleek works. If you're looking for a product to change your hair color to more of its natural shade, and do it in a hurry, this is your product. If you don't like its low-keyed fragrance, you can always buy African Pride Hair Deodorizer, which comes in a variety of scents. Therefore, can't say if it actually turns gray hair back to its former color, but the smell is intolerable. If you don't like its low-keyed fragrance, you can always buy African Pride Hair Deodorizer, which comes in a variety of scents. All this product does is slowly paint your hair, but it washes right out when you wash your hair. To me, it seems like it colors your scalp more than the actual gray hairs. You don't rinse your hair before going to bed. It dries relatively quickly, about 45 minimum 1 hour, doesn't stain. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and leave your comments below.